Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set Emoji Wallpaper on iPad Pro M5. First, open Settings on your iPad, then scroll down to Wallpaper, then select Add New Wallpaper, select Emoji option, and now select which emoji you want to put on your wallpaper. Once you select the right emoji, you can customize its color and style by selecting one of the available ones. To change the color, tap in the bottom right corner of the screen and set the background color for your wallpaper. And once you're done, tap Add and either set as a paired wallpaper or customize your home screen too. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.